Hey everyone, this is Luke from Team Archon. Today I want to go over some tips to help you get out of a rut. Everyone gets into ruts sometimes. This time of year is particularly rough, with a peak in seasonal affective disorder. Seasonal affective disorder is particularly prevalent among young adults. Are you in a rut? Are you feeling lethargic about going to the gym? Is going to work or school every day becoming a drag? Then if so, you may be in a rut, and the team here at Archon wants to help you get out of that rut. Let's start today with a visualization exercise that will help our minds get primed and ready for some growth. What I need you to do is to close your eyes and take a deep, cleansing breath. Imagine you're riding down the road on your bicycle, when right in front of you, you see a rut, right in the middle of the road. Before you know it, your tires are stuck in that rut. What you do? You don't panic. You lean a little to the left, lean a little to the right. You experiment, and before you know it, you're out of the rut, smooth sailing on a much flatter plane. You can open your eyes now. This visualization exercise is something you can try when you feel you are getting into a rut. I want you to see the rut, visualize it, lean into it, lean away from it, to the left, to the right, and whoosh, out of the rut you will go. Getting out of a metaphorical rut can work in exactly the same way. A little experimentation and change can help you overcome. Here are my top 3 tips for how to get out of a rut. Number 1, pick something and stick with it. It can be anything, but it can't be self-destructive. It can't be drinking, can't be smoking, can't be vaping, can't be sexing, can't be scrolling through Instagram, can't be eating junk food, but besides that, literally anything else. It should be small and easy to accomplish. For example, wake up in the morning, first thing you do, make your bed. Or just send a text to say hello to a friend or loved one, just to reach out. Simple and easy to do, and do it every day. Each morning, I like to read for 10 minutes. This reading helps me start my day with a burst of learning, but it also shows to me that so much growth can come from a relatively small time commitment. Picking something and sticking with it will help you develop a positive habit. And this positive habit will lead to a cascade of other positive habits, which will help propel you out of your rut. Number 2, be honest about why you are in the rut. Most of the time, ruts don't just appear for no reason. So being honest with yourself about why you are in a rut can help you find the root and therefore get out of it quicker. For example, if you're feeling lethargic about going to the gym, it's most likely due to a stagnant mindset or a lack of inspiration. Changing your mindset to a more positive, growth-focused mindset may be all you need to help get you out of that rut. Number 3, sweat. Exercise has been scientifically proven to lead to endorphin release. And this is a bro science. This is real science. These endorphins help you feel good and have been linked to boosting your self-esteem. This boost in your self-esteem may be exactly what you need to help propel you out of that rut. So, are you in a rut? If so, follow the visualization exercise that we tried at the start of this video, and then use the 3 tips that we just went over to help get out of that rut. Share what type of rut you are in the comments section below, so we can help support each other get back to that smooth sailing way of life. If you're smooth sailing, then share some tips for how you stay clear of those ruts in the comments below. This has been Luke from Team Archon. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now get out there, get out of that rut, and get back into the groove. We'll see you next time.